Good day. My name is Giovanni alias Asoy. I am 27 years old, butcher deboner from the Philippines. And today, I will show you how to debone the half carcass of swine. First, I will sharpen my knife. Second, I remove the leaf right together with the kidney. Next, I remove the tenderloin. Then I will perform the final cut. So this is the lower or the hind part. The meat is consists of belly and loin. The upper or the shoulder part. I proceed to debone the lower part. I remove the ham leg. I remove the edge bone. I remove the excess skin. Then last, I remove the femur bone. So this is the part of the lower, the round, top round, silver side, round also the eye round. Then I proceed to debone the shoulder part. I sharpen my knife again. I remove the defects and blood clots. Then I make around here to easily remove the shoulder leg. Then I remove the neck bone together with the ribs. Then I remove the excess fats. Then cut the connection of the humerus bone and the shoulder blade or the scapula. Then I remove the scapula. So this is scapula. Okay. Lastly, I remove the shoulder leg. So this is a part of the shoulder, the Boston butt, skin on, collar butt, the picnic, and the biscuits.